Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel BioEasy. And now I have next video on numerical MCQs for NEET Biology. These numericals are based on unit number 6, which is reproduction. This unit consists of 4 chapters like reproduction in organisms, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction and reproductive health. Very first question is, the number of chromosome in the shoot tip cell of a maize plant is 20. Now in this question the very first clue is that the number of chromosome in shoot tip. So we all know that shoot tip is the somatic cell and this cell is diploid in nature and the number of chromosome in this cell is 20. Next line is, the number of chromosomes in the microspore mother cells of the same plant shall be. We all know that microspore mother cell is also diploid cell. So the number of chromosomes in microspore mother cells are equal to the shoot tip cells. So answer is 20. Next question is, the male gametes of rice plant have 12 chromosomes. Now here we can see the male gamete. So gametes are haploid in nature. So here n is equal to 12. Next is the chromosome number in the female gamete. So we all know that female gamete is also haploid. So here n is equal to 12. Next in zygote. Now zygote is diploid in nature. So here we have the value of n is 12. So here the answer is 24. And the number of chromosome in the cells of seedling. Then cells of seedling is also diploid cell. So again 2 into 12 is equal to 24. So the answers are 12, 24 and 24. Now the right option is C. Next question is, what would be the number of chromosomes of the aleuronic cells of a plant with 42 chromosomes in root tip cells? We all know that root tip cells are diploid cells. So here 2n is equal to 42. So n is equal to 21. Now in the question we have to find out the number of chromosome in aleuronic cells. So aleuronic cells are endospermic cells. And these are the triploid cells. So here we have the value of n, 3 into 21. The answer is 63. So here the A is right option. Next question number 4 is, what would be the number of chromosomes in the cells of aleuronic layer in the plant species having 8 chromosomes in its synergid? We all know that synergid cells are haploid cells. So here n is equal to 8. And we have to find out the number of chromosome in aleuronic cells. So again, aleuronic cells are triploid cell. So 3 into 8 is equal to 24. So answer is C, 24. Next question number 5th is, for the production of 12 polygonum types of embryo sac, how many reduction divisions are required in megasporocyte? So in polygonum type there are 12 reduction divisions are required to produce 12 embryo sac. Now let's understand the method. So from one megaspore mother cell, there is one reduction division, and there are 4 megaspore which are haploid are formed. Now you can see this is 1 megaspore, second megaspore, third megaspore, and fourth megaspore. In the process of maturation, the 3 megaspores get degenerated and only 1 megaspore remain active. This is one haploid megaspore. So here from one megaspore mother cell, after one meiosis division, only one megaspore is formed, and now in the process of maturation this megaspore converted into the embryo sac. So here, and for the requirement of 12 embryo sac, so here from one megaspore mother cells, one embryo sac is formed. So from 12 megaspore mother cells, 12 embryo sacs are formed with the help of 12 reduction division. Clear? So the answer is 12. Now question number 6 is, for making 100 microspores, how many microspore mother cells are required? From one microspore mother cell, with the help of reduction division, 4 microspores are formed which are haploid. Now you can see this is the one microspore, second, third or fourth, or we can say it is one pollen tetrad. Clear? Now the question is, we have to make 100 microspores. From one microspore mother cells, there are 4 microspores are formed. So for the making of 100 microspores, we need 25 microspore mother cells. Clear? So here the ratio is 1:4. So a short trick is that you have to divide the 100 by 4. So there are 25 microspore mother cells are required to produce 100 microspores. So the answer is 25. Next, question number 7th is, if the leaf tip cells possess 14 chromosomes. So we all know that leaf tip cells is somatic cells. So here 2n is equal to 14. Then how many chromosomes will be present in endosperm? Now endosperm is triploid cells. Now here 2n is equal to 14, then n is equal to 7. So here we have the value of n, and we can put this value in this 3n. So 3 into 7 is equal to 21. So the answer is 21. Next, question number 8 is, how many reduction divisions are required to produce 400 seeds in angiosperm? Here the requirement of production of 400 seeds. Now for the production of 400 seeds, plant needs 400 pollen grains and along with 400 egg cells. So we all know that from one microspore mother cell after one time meiosis, 4 pollen grains are formed. So here the ratio is 1:4. Now for the production of 400 pollen grains, the number of reduction divisions are 400 upon 4, which is 100. On other hand, the plant need 400 egg cells for production of 400 seeds. So we all know that from one megaspore mother cell, after one meiosis, only one egg cell is formed. So here ratio is 1:1. So for 400 egg cells, for 400 egg cells, 400 megaspore mother cells are required and 400 meiotic divisions are required. So the total number of meiotic division is equal to 100 plus 400 is equal to 500. So the answer is 500. Now there is a short trick for your exam, that x upon 4 plus x. Here the x is equal to number of seeds. So we can put the value directly in this formula, like 400 upon 4 plus 400 is equal to 500. Clear? Next, question number 9th is, how many meiotic divisions would be required to produce 101 maize grain? So we can use our short trick, like x upon 4 plus x is equal to 101 upon 4 plus 101 is equal to 25.25 plus 101 is equal to 126.25, which is nearly to the 127. So here the answer is 127. Now we can do this also a complete method, like for 101 seeds, the plant need 101 pollen grains and 101 egg cells. And here the ratio is, because from one microspore mother cell, 4 pollen grains are produced. So here ratio is 1:4. Now here from one megaspore mother cell, one egg cell is produced. So here ratio is 1:1. So here we can divide 101 upon 4 is equal to 25.25. Now here the requirement of reductional division to produce 101 XL is 101. So the total number of meiotic division is equal to 25.25 plus 101, and here the answer is 126.25, which is nearly 127. So here the answer is 127. Next, 10th question is, how many meiotic divisions would be required to produce 101 female gametophyte in angiosperm? So here we all know, from one megaspore mother cell, and one time meiotic division, only one egg cell, or we can say one embryo sac is produced. So here the ratio is 1:1. So for the production of 101 female gametophyte, there is the requirement of 101 megaspore mother cells, and also the divisions required, which is 101. So answer is 101. Thanks for watching.